Okay, I just want to take you through the Boom board game. That is a fun, interactive activity that you can do with 1, 2, 3 students or even some groups of students. The challenges in the board game work on gross motor skills and balance. So let's take a look. If we just go straight to the board game now, here it is. You have the movable, draggable counters at the top for each player or group of players. And then basically all you need is a dice. So you just throw the dice. Say the team 1 or person 1 gets 3, 1, 2, 3, and behind here the question marks we have the gross motor challenge, and this one is bring your hands across your chest 20 times. Achieve that, back to the board. Throw the dice again. Number 2 scores 1. Click and jog on the spot and count to 30. Back to board. Person 3 rolls the dice and he gets 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see what's behind 5. This is a balance challenge. So balance on your bottom with your hands and feet off the floor, count to 10. And basically, it's the first counter that gets all the way around the board to the cup is the winner.